Hello guys, welcome to Average Consumers India. Today we are looking at another perfume. It's called the Ralph Lauren Polo Blue. So let's get started. At the front we have the Ralph Lauren logo, the Ralph Lauren branding. At the top we have the EDP. At the side we have the pricing and manufacturing details. The current price is around 6,000. At the back we have the ingredients. At the bottom we have the distribution details. Nothing on the side. Let's open it up. Let's keep it to the side. Let's see how the bottle looks. Here it is. So Ralph Lauren as a brand started in 1967. It's an American brand and a fashion brand. It's known for its jewelry, clothing, shoe, and fragrances. So at the front we have the Ralph Lauren logo. It says EDP. Nothing on the back. At the bottom we have some other details. It is a simple, rounded and boxy design. There's nothing fancy. There is a metal top and the metal sides, and there's some heaviness to the bottle. Overall, it's a nice look. So the cap does take some amount of strength to take it out. Put it back. Overall, since the bottle is dark blue in color, we cannot figure out what the color of the liquid is. Dimension wise, it is smaller than an iPhone. Feature wise, this is an EDP or the Perfume. That means it is dense and contains about 15 to 20% perfume oil. That should last around 6 to 8 hours. Fragrance wise, it has this sharp, not too spicy, musky and aquatic smell, and you are able to feel it when someone is wearing it. Overall, this is better for the evening. Versatility wise, it is smaller than an iPhone, so it is easy to keep, easy to take. You can easily keep it in a purse, in a bag. Coming to the verdict, in Ralph Lauren, you have multiple fragrances available, such as the red, green, and black. In other brands, you have multiple options available, such as the Versace Eros, Terre de Hermes by Hermes, Dolce and Gabbana The One. But if you are looking to get something from Ralph Lauren, this is something you cannot go wrong with. This is something you should get and you should try. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. This is Average Consumers India. See you next time.